What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You can see better with ULANZI. And that's because ULANZI makes little clip-on lenses for smartphones and cameras. And I want to show that to you. Here's what we get. A nice little hard case here. And kind of a nice in this like houndstooth material. Looks pretty clever. Small carabiner here. So you can take it with you on camping trips. And then you can see here we've got a little mesh pocket. We have a little kind of a screw-on ring here for cutting down direct light, microfiber cloth, and user manual. And so you can put stuff in there. And then I dropped everything because I was holding it up to the camera. In these two pockets, we get a clip here, and this is like all metal construction, man. That's actually impressive. You know, the clip here is all metal. You can see we've got a couple threaded holes. We also have this threaded plunger with a rubber back on it, and that's going to clamp the sucker down to most phones, and goes out that far. You see textured knurling on the end here, ULANZI. Now, if you have a case on your phone, you know, some phones might be too big for this. Interestingly, right here on this inside, there's also rubber, so you don't have to worry about it even as it's clamping down the phone, scratching that up. But then you have the ULANZI lens right here. And man, look at the size of this thing. Not sure if this unscrews. There we go. All right. So, wow. Really big lens here. It's nice looking. Man, it's got some weight to it. All aluminum construction. 16 millimeter 4K HD wide angle lens, no distortion. These are with 4K cameras. And then some threading right there will screw in, and then you can see through there. Ooh. All right, so we'll take a closer look at this. And then in here, supposedly, just pull this out. I don't think this cap is supposed to be threaded. I'm trying to get my fingerprints on it. I think I just did. There we go. And we have like a filter, and I'm assuming this is like a polarized filter to give you a little bit of a cut down on the amount of light that comes in. You can see here how that works. So on bright days outside, I think that's going to be useful. And what you can do here is, of course, to kind of prevent direct light from getting in there too. You know, on a bright sunny day, you can put this on there as well. I'm not going to really need that right this second. Now, I've got the camera right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of put this contraption on here. On is how it slips right over the dual camera housing right there. So it's really perfect. And then you can tighten it down, and then we will install the lens on top of it. All right, so I've got the little clamp on there, and now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and see if we can screw it in the little lens here. And what you'll notice is that nothing was in the shot when I set this up. But now we've got lots of stuff. You can see the stack of boxes on either side of the corridor here, and man, you can see my whole hand. I'm just holding it right in front of the camera. So it's a really nice little wide angle feature. If I unscrew it here, again, now you can't see anything, and if I put my hand up there, you lose all this. So pretty cool. And if I use the other camera housing, you know, you hit the 2X and switch to the other lens, you immediately would be able to kind of unscrew the lens here and move it to the other camera lens and have that work out without kind of fiddling with anything. I'll tell you what, I mean, everything about this shot looks great. Everything looks a little further away, so you just get a lot more in. I can definitely see this lens being really useful if you are filming things inside where you just kind of want a wider perspective. You know, get more into the shot, more people, more family, whatever. Even if you're not filming and you're just taking a picture, I think something like this would be better for, like I said, getting scenery and all that. So pretty nice, super, super nice construction on all of this. You know, the aluminum here, the filter, if I were to put this on here with the really bright light, just kind of giving you a little bit more of a cinematic look, kind of making sure that you don't get a lot of you know, washed out light effect. So I'll put a link to this ULANZI set in the description below. I'm really impressed with everything about it. Peter Von Panda out.